Volvo has once again made a splash in the automotive world with the introduction of its new premium EV minivan, the EM90. Departing from their traditional exterior-only showcases, Volvo has treated enthusiasts to a luxurious video presentation highlighting the meticulous craftsmanship and focus on optimal comfort that characterizes the EM90. The interior of the Volvo EM90 has received special attention with a design aimed at alleviating user stress. Conceived by Volvo's design studio in Shanghai, China, the interior draws inspiration from Scandinavian living rooms with a touch of Asian elements, showcasing natural beauty to captivate potential customers. Sophie Lee, head of design at Volvo's design studio, expressed, "In any chosen interior space, one will encounter a stylish and soothing premium interior, exemplifying Volvo's distinctive modern design." The cabin of the EM90 boasts generous width and legroom, featuring luxurious elements such as plush lounge chairs, a spacious panoramic sunroof, and intricate Scandinavian design touches to ensure unparalleled comfort. The second row stands out with dedicated lounge seats equipped with massage functions, individual ventilation and heating options, integrated tables, and cup holders. The third row is easily accessible through a sliding rear door and adjustable second row seats. The expansive panoramic sunroof, covering the entire cabin, is complemented by curtains and ambient lighting settings, establishing a quintessential Scandinavian atmosphere. Lighting options range from recreating the renowned northern lights to themes evoking Swedish forests and midsummer dawns. Volvo officially unveiled the EM90 MPV design to the public on November 12, 2023, showcasing a vehicle that combines style, comfort, and innovation in the electric vehicle segment.